Welcome to another episode in our Ask Cougartron video and blog series related to welding and weld cleaning. The question we are answering this time is, with stainless steel being naturally corrosion resistant, why does it have to be passivated after welding? So, what exactly makes stainless in the first place? Well, the stainless steel is an alloy composed mostly out of iron and chromium, and when chromium reacts with oxygen, a protective passive layer is formed on the surface of the stainless steel which protects against corrosion. As you know, the process of welding requires high temperatures, and this destroys the passive layer on the surface both on areas directly exposed to welding and those in the heat affected zone. So how is this a problem solved? First, the surface of the weld has to be thoroughly cleaned and all contaminants removed. Secondly, the passive chromium layer on the steel surface has to be restored. So in summary, after welding, the weld will corrode unless further treatment is done to prevent it. With the Cougartron electrochemical process, you can be guaranteed the passivation will be fully restored. Thanks for watching, and keep those questions coming to questions@cougartron.com.